Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to the channel, and if you're new here, you're most welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel to join this family and turn on your post notification to be notified anytime I upload a video on the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the sewing of this beautiful baby dress. Okay, so if you're interested to see how I actually sew all the pieces together, you will keep watching. So this is how the baby dress actually look like on my baby girl. She looks so beautiful and the dress is so fitting on her. And I actually did not make use of so much materials on the baby dress, but it still turned out to be nice. I actually made use of 4 yards of the net and then 1 yard of bridal satin and the small lace at the upper side and zip and also thread. So it's quite unfortunate that I lost the first clip where I was drafting the whole thing, but this is a skirt part where I actually cut the satin. I've also gone ahead to sew the sides and the downside since I don't have an overlocker to weave the whole thing round. So I'm just measuring her waistline to check. Her waist is 21 inches, so I'll just take it all the way around. And I have the 21 inches, an extra 1 inch for zip allowance. So next I'm going to bring this net I've already joined and gathered at the upper side. So I'm going to be adjusting it to fit in the satin, her waistline on the satin. So I'll neatly arrange the net and then I'll be placing it on the satin just the same way you see in this video. And then I'll place it and adjust it all the way to the other side. But you see that I made a mistake. I placed it on the wrong side. So when you're placing it, place it on the right side of the satin. Okay, so after placing it, I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and then hold it at the upper side. And I also want you guys to know that the length of the net is actually longer than the length of the satin itself. So next is to be working on the upper pieces. Okay, I've already turned the neckline and then the sides as well, and also did the same thing to the 2 back pieces. So I'll go ahead and place the 2 back pieces on the front piece with the right sides facing each other, and then I'll take it to my sewing machine. I'll open up the shoulder line just the same way you see in this video, and then I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew it, and then do the same thing to the other side as well. And I'll also insert her measurements and then sew the sides as well. So guys, this is actually how the skirt parts look like after I was done joining the net on the satin. So you see how everything turned out to be. You see that the net is longer than the satin that is inside. So if you want your own net to have more volume, if you want it to cover more, you will use more yards. And I'm also done sewing the upper side. I'm done sewing the shoulder line and then sewing the sides as well. And I've also gone ahead to hold that for both the back and the front pieces. So I'll go ahead and open the loose stitch at the zip allowance, and then I'm going to be marking the midpoint of this upper side. I'll actually place it just the same way you see in this video, and then I'll be marking the midpoint with my chalk. I'll mark it at the right side. And I'll also be marking the midpoint of the skirt part as well. I'll fold it into 2 and then mark it with my chalk as well. So when I'm done doing that, I'm going to be placing the right sides facing each other from the midpoint. I'll just place the right sides facing each other just the same way you see in this video, and then I'll take it to my sewing machine and then sew it all the way to the other side, and then do the same thing to the other side as well. So for her sleeve, I'll actually mark her armhole and then her round sleeve, and then I'll sew it all the way down, repeat the same thing to the other side. So when I'm done, I'm actually going to be fixing it on the dress. So guys, I'm actually done fixing the sleeve and the down parts, and I've also gone ahead to make a bow to fix on the dress, and it actually looks so beautiful. And I also went ahead to fix zipper at the back side and also close the downside as well. And I also made these long ropes at the back. You see how beautiful the long ropes are. So this is the end result of the baby dress. It's simple and then it doesn't require so much materials to make something this cute. So thank you so much for watching. If you're still here, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video to anyone that is interested in this kind of content. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.